how to save the photos and videos of Instagram to your gallery. So let's see in this video. First of all, open up your Instagram. After that, go to your profile, and here in the right upper corner you can see the 3-bar menu. Tap on that and tap on the settings. After that, tap on the accounts and search for the original post option. Tap on the original post option, and here you can see there is a save original post option, save posted photos, save posted videos option. So make sure to turn it on. Whenever you send the photos or videos to anyone, then that will be saved to your gallery. In this way you can save the photos and videos that you have sent to someone to your gallery. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topic, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.